Hello everyone. Today we are going to look after one of the cryptography and network security program, that is write a C program that contains a string with a value hello world. The program should XOR each character in this string with 0 and displays the results. So let's get into the program. So I'll go line by line. So as we all are very much familiar with the headers, but I'll just give you a quick intro of what are used in this program. So first one is stdio.h. So this header file allows us to use printf for printing output in this particular program. So coming to the second header file, stdlib.h. This header is needed because we use malloc as well as free. Malloc is to allocate memory, free is to release memory. So coming to third header file, which is the string.h. So this header allows us to have strlen, strcopy, which is string length and string copy, to find the length of a string as well as to copy a string. So now getting to main. So we knew this is where the main function starts. So const character with a pointer literal equals to hello world, which creates a pointer to a string literal, which is going to stored in a read-only memory. So const, which means we promise not to modify this memory directly. Size underscore t len equals to string length of literal. So by this, it computes the number of characters in hello world. So hello and world is of 10 characters, but as we do have a space here, this results in 11 characters. And the next one is char pointer of s equals to malloc of length plus 1. So by this, it allocates a writable memory of size length plus 1. That is, our length is 11. It is going to allocate some 12 bytes. That is 11 characters plus 1 null terminator. S here, S is pointed to empty space in the heap. We do this because modifying a string literal directly is unsafe, as we are writing some safe code here. So if S double equals to null, so here it checks whether memory allocation failed or not. If malloc return null, the program prints an error and exits safely. So string copy of s comma literal, which means it copies hello world into allocated buffer. So now s contains a modifiable version of the string. So as we knew, printf statement contains the original string, which prints the string before XOR operation. So that is, our original string is hello world. For size of t, I equals to 0, I less than n, plus plus I, here it starts a loop from I equals to 0 to I equals to 10. So here, if you observe, this is where we are actually performing an XOR operation. S of I, cap symbol represents an XOR operation. XOR with, as we said in the question, it is 0. XOR with 0 keeps the same value. So hello world remains unchanged, and then it is end of the loop. So here we are going to print the final string after XOR operation. And a free of s, which means we releases the memory allocated to malloc, and returning 0, which represents its end ends the program successfully. So this is for the program what we are discussing, XOR operation for a given string.